Hi and welcome to Complete Photoshop course Beginner to Advanced. And I'm here to share all those experiences with you. By completing this course, you will have a decent understanding of Photoshop and you will kick off your Photoshop journey. You will be able to edit and retouch any type of image, and you can even start working as a freelancer. We will start by a brief introduction to Photoshop and its interface. You will learn how to open, save, and export images for web and printing purposes. You will learn the basics of the layers and its properties, and I will introduce you to the Layers panel. Then, we will move on to Photoshop's powerful selection tools, where you will learn how to select and modify objects the way you want. You will learn how to transform, resize, and crop images. And we will finish by retouching and removing skin issues using Photoshop's powerful healing tools. This course is designed to be quick and easy. And if you are one of those who want to learn Photoshop but don't have enough time to take a full-length course, then this course is for you, my friend. This course has a lot to offer, and if you're ready to master the world's most powerful photo editing software, then let's get started.